All right, today we're going to be staining this cabinet shelf. This is actually a floating shelf for a laundry room, but it's already been sealed. We seal this up real heavy with pre-catalyzed lacquer or lacquer, and then it would turn out just like your regular cabinets may be at home. Like you have a finish on your cabinets already that are in a natural oak. This is natural oak. Now we're taking a regular stain. This is a BAC stain from Sherwin-Williams. It's called Simply White. It's one of their stock colors. But look, you just put it on kind of thin, right? Nice even strokes. And then once it's all set up, you don't have a puddle sitting here, right? And just let it dry for a second. You can take an air hose and blow on it. You can rub it off. But in this case, we're trying to match an existing finish that's been around. Let me show you that. You see, this is really where we're going to be going. We're going to turn this board now into this phase. So after it's re-wet, now look at that as we take it off, only the lightest of the white stuck down deep inside, and the natural wood still shines through, and it gives your whole cabinets a brand new look. You know, this can transform your kitchen. So you do this one side, nice light touches. Stand it up. I'm going to move this out of the way so it don't get dripped on. Well, thanks for joining us today, guys. Appreciate you hanging out. We're just staining these up, right? This is going into an existing home, but I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Look at that. Perfect. All right, let that set up. Don't put it on too thick that it can't set at all. All right, you got to put it on thick enough that it can't absorb anymore, but not so thick that it can't even think about drying. And in this case, again, we're matching that tone, so we don't really want it to set and turn too white. So we have like a 30-second setup time or something like that. It's not really, it's just determined by the look. All right, flip it over. All right, check your edges. And let's repeat it. Now watch as I put this on. I'm not doing it with a brush. I'm not sitting here brushing something on with a little chisel brush. You go cross grain, do these little figure 8 patterns. It kind of pushes it into the depths of the grain, you see, right? And I'm pushing kind of hard. I'm not gingerly lightly rubbing this right now. I want my force to force that stain deep down into those pores, all right? So now with a light touch, I can go with the grain and keep that stain going on nice and even, nice and smooth. Look at that. Perfect. You could almost leave it like that. You would say it was done. But in this case, again, we're matching it. So we're going to wait just a few seconds, make sure it's all absorbed. Nothing's soaking in, nothing gotten crazy. And now we can take it off. All right? And again, we don't have to take it off straight off with the grain. This hand's back here dancing around, right? What the heck? Now at the end, you go ahead. And you're really getting your little scratch marks from your rags. If you can turn your rag around and make it nice and taut and more like a pad on your last few passes, then that'll take care of all your little smudgy marks and stuff like that. So that's a nice tip for you. All right, stand her back up, take a look at all your edges. All right, spin this around so you can take a look and see what you got. All right. Well, all right, there you go, guys. That's about it for today. We're going to be putting this lacquer clear coat on this. And if you're ready for it, I'll put it in a video link right here for you. And you can watch this get wet up again, and we'll bring it back to the next level. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you around again soon. Like and subscribe. I really could use your help. You'll see the link right there. Thanks then.